This is the Aosu Video Doorbell, and it does integrate pretty well with Amazon Echo Show devices. And I've mentioned in the past about Ring Video Doorbells. One advantage of them is that when somebody pushes the doorbell, it automatically shows the live view on your Echo Show. But do you think the Aosu would do that too? Well, let's find out. When somebody pushes the doorbell, hello guys, LifeHackster here. Today we are going to review the Aosu Video Doorbell. I know, weird name, but a lot of you have asked me to review this. And also it has some pretty good reviews at Amazon. So let's get straight into the specs. It is battery powered but can also be wired into your existing doorbell wiring and has a 180-day battery life. It has a 5 megapixel sensor and has a 4:3 aspect ratio and has a 166-degree diagonal field of view and records in 2560 by 1920 pixel resolution at 15 frames per second in both daytime and at night. It does have human detection and uses both PIR sensor and also has radar detection. No need for subscription. It records locally to its chime, which is also the home base. It has an 8GB built-in storage and it is not removable or upgradable, but good for 60 days worth of recordings. It has quick replies and also has an anti-theft alarm.
Hello? Can I help you? Hey there! What are you doing? Please leave the package in front of the door. Thank you.
It can connect to either 2.4 or 5 GHz Wi-Fi. It is IP66 weatherproof and is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Inside the box, we have some paperwork. You will get a mounting template, window sticker, and a quick start guide. Packaging and color scheme looks eerily similar to another brand. Comment below if you know it. We have the chime, which is also the home base and range extender. It got two antennas. We have a sync button on top, and on the back we have the speaker. It has internal storage, so no SD card slot. Then we have the doorbell itself. Build quality is pretty good. We have the PIR sensor, camera lens, light sensor and mic, and doorbell button. On the bottom, we have the speaker and a rubber flap that covers the USB-C port for charging. On the back, we have two terminal screws to wire it into your existing doorbell wiring if you want, and the sync button. It comes with a plastic mount and also a 15-degree wedge if needed. It also comes with a Phillips head driver. And we have an accessory box, mounting screws and plastic anchors, and a short USB-C cable. We have a push pin to remove the doorbell from the mount. And we have extension wires and wire nuts. Let's set this up. First, let's set up the home base. So plug in the chime. Open up the Aosu app. Click Add Devices. Scan the QR code which is on the bottom of the chime. Type in your Wi-Fi's password. And as you can see, it supports either 2.4 or 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Push the sync button for 5 seconds until you hear. Click Continue. Now press the sync button on the doorbell. Press the doorbell button and the home base will also sound. Click Continue. And the app will generate a QR code that you need to show the doorbell. And wait until it is connected successfully. Time to install this, and I'm not going to wire it in, so I'm just going to screw the mount in using the 4 included screws. And push in the doorbell, tap first, and it will snap and lock in place on the bottom. To remove the doorbell from the mount, use the included push pin and insert it in the hole in the bottom, and the doorbell will release from the mount. Let's check these settings in the app. When you open up the app, it will show the snapshot from the doorbell. Click on it to get to live view, which loads up decently quick. In here, you can check on the events, and you will see the recorded events in the home base, and you can download it from here. You can change the live view's quality, record the live view, and take a snapshot and listen in. We have tone. Okay. Uncle or clown. The sound of the uncle's voice. This is the sound of the clown's voice. You can start two-way talk, which is full duplex, or you can use quick replies. Click on the gear icon to get to the camera settings. Turn on and off the status light and the theft warning. Motion detection. You can choose human only and adjust the sensitivity. As to notifications, you can schedule it, and you can choose immediate mode, which is just a text but is faster, or intelligent mode, which will have a delay because it needs to be processed. The radar detection on this camera will also have a separate notification, which you will see later on. Cloud recording, which is not needed for this camera, but is an option if you want. And these are the pricing. Video and audio, and I got it to the highest setting, and night vision, auto or off. Chime settings, you have an option to change the chime sounds on both the doorbell and the home base. There is also privacy settings where you can set privacy zones, up to 2 of them. I'll also be showing on how to set this up with Amazon Alexa, because this doorbell rivals Ring doorbells as to its integration. Go to your smart home skills, enable it, search for Aosu. Click on the skill, enable use, click agree, and link your Aosu account with Amazon Alexa. My doorbell is already set up. And if you go to your devices, by the way, I changed the name Aosu to doorbell being tested because Aosu is a bit hard name to understand. In the settings, these are the options you can change. And time to do some testing.
So this is the video and audio quality of the Aosu Video Doorbell, and this is what it looks like when I'm close to the camera, and this is what it looks like when I'm close to the door. So this is the video quality of the Aosu Video Doorbell at night, and this with my platform slicer on, and the night vision on this is set to auto, but it's recording in full color. And this is what it looks like when I'm close to the doorbell, and this is what it looks like when I'm close to the door. So this is the video quality of the Aosu Video Doorbell at night, and this with no lights, and its night vision is turned on. It's an auto night vision. It has 8 infrared LEDs, and this is what it looks like when I'm close to the doorbell, and this is what it looks like when I'm close to the door.
We are going to test the motion alert notification speed of the Aosu Video Doorbell, and I'm on my LTE connection, and it is 10:33. I've also set this notification to immediate notification, which I'm only gonna get a text and no snapshot preview. Let's see how it goes. There you go, that quick. And when you click on that, it should get you to live view and loads up pretty quick. Alright, so this is an immediate mode on the notification. I'm gonna check that to intelligent mode, which will have that, and see what the notification speed is. And it is 10:34, so it's been less than a minute. So this is a test for the notification cool off also. So now it will have a delay, but it should have a snapshot. That's a long bit. There you go. See that one? Then when you click and hold, you'll get the snapshot preview. Then you can have options for snooze or quick replies or go live. Let's do quick replies. And click on that.
Can I help you? Can I help you?
That was quick. All right, cool. Now we are going to test the doorbell push to notification speed. That quick. Cool. All right, so this time we're gonna check the porch pirate test and see how fast the doorbell's gonna record. Oh yeah, I got the notification already. Let's see. Just the motion. And then this is where that radar. So the radar is a bit delayed, but as you can see, you see me right there. Cool. Yes, can I help you?
Yes, can I help you?
Hello, it's LifeHackster here.
Is LifeHackster here?
Sorry, he's not here right now. You want to leave a message?
Sorry, he's not here right now. Will I leave a message?
No, I'll come back later. Thank you.
No, I'll come back later. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, bud.
Hello, is LifeHackster here? No, I'll come back later. Thank you.
Show doorbell being tested.
Okay.
Cool. And it has two-way talk. So what do you think? This Aosu Video Doorbell performed very well in my testing. Video quality is pretty good. Motion detection with human detection on is pretty accurate and reliable. Just set the notification to immediate for fast notifications, and it will eventually be followed by the radar detection notification, which will have a snapshot. Take note though that this doorbell will only record the doorbell side of the conversation and not the phone side. Also, they advertise this as having HDR or high dynamic range, but I'm not seeing it. Bright areas in the footage are still washed out. Also, the recorded audio is teeny. You don't need a subscription to use all the features of this doorbell. And it has local recording, which is in the home base inside your house. Lastly, a big advantage of the Aosu, and I'm not sure about other brands, I need to try to test it, but this one integrates pretty well with the Amazon Echo Show, that when somebody pushes the doorbell,
Someone is at the doorbell being tested.
it automatically loads up the live view. And you can start two-way talk. How about that? Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.